This movie is going to show you how to get started with a project in Fusion 360. So when you open it up, you might get a screen that looks like this, in which case you can click on here. You might also have this thing already there. And you will probably, if it's your first one, you'll probably find a thing which says My First Project. So you can just click on that if you want. And you're working in your first project. And then you can close that. Then you can go up here and choose a new design. Then you can go to Assemble and you can choose New Component. We're going to start off making the base of your robot, so we'll call that Component Base. Click OK. Now I want to draw on the top work plane, so I'll click on that and bring it round, so we're now looking at the top. So what with the surface we're looking at is now the top surface, so it'll be a view looking down on it. I'm going to right click on it and go Sketch, and then I could sketch some of these things, but I don't want any of them, so I'm going to go up to the sketch menu up here, and I want to have a rectangle which is a center rectangle. So this is now my top work plane. I just click to confirm that yes, I'm drawing on the top work plane, and I'm going to start. The center of my rectangle will be here at the origin, and I click once there and then just move the mouse. Doesn't really matter how far I move it. Click again and there's the rectangle. Press the letter D for dimension, and you can see the pointer changes to a dimensioning tool. Touch that line till it turns blue, then click and then move the mouse up here and then click again, and then we can write in, I want this base to be 120 long, hit enter. We've still got the dimensioning tool here, so move it over this line till it turns blue, click the mouse, let go of the mouse button, then move the mouse out this way. When it gets far enough, click again and type in the width of your robot, which I'm going to make 70 millimeters. And there is the base drawn. So we're going to go Stop Sketch. And then I'm just going to turn that on a bit of an angle, and then I'm going to hit the letter E and select this. And E means extrude, so here we go, we can pull this up into 3 dimensions now. Now, at the moment it says 20 millimeters. I can change it to 4 by typing in here, or I could change it to 4 by typing in here. I'm going to hit 4, and then I'll hit the tab key to get out of there. I don't want to taper it, so don't do anything there, but with the operation I'm doing is to make a new body, so I'm going to keep that and click OK. And there you've got your first component made.